Oh, it's another one for you to get later. Oh my God, you really outdone yourself this time. Oh, I better be careful. I might gain a pound or two. You, on the other hand, you seem to be losing weight. It's like I'm eating all of our meals. Well, it's like I tell you, girl, you gotta take care of yourself. You know, all you do is work, work, work. Girl, you need to be like me and have some more balance in your life. So, anyway, let's eat big tomorrow. Let's eat big all next week. Let's do Italian week. You're Italian, right? Do I sound just like your grandma? Make us a spaghetti. Don't be offended. It's not racist. It's just fun. What? You're leaving? What? Why? What do you mean your house is fixed? You can't leave me. What am I going to do? My belly needs your cooking. Am I supposed to go on a diet or something? How dare you? I am not fat. How dare you say that? I've not gotten lazy. I just can't let you go. Oh, you listen to me. You're not going anywhere. Either you get back in that kitchen, or I'm going to find a way to make you stay with me. Stay with me forever. It's your choice. No, sis, I don't know where she went. Yeah, she was here. She's not anymore. Oh, wow, they can't find her at all? Well, that's a shame. She was just great. Anyways, it's getting a little lonely out here. What's that? Your old roommate is looking for a place to live? What's she like? She's a thick, chubby girl. She's a total pushover with no spine. Is she a good cook? She is? Well, that's great, sis. Well, have her come over tomorrow. I would love to eat her. I mean, meet her.